Hey there! If you're a graphic designer, you probably juggle between Adobe Illustrator, InDesign and Photoshop. But let's be real, sometimes it's tricky to know which one to use for what. Let's break it down. First up, Adobe Illustrator. Think of Illustrator like your go-to for vector graphics. It's perfect for logos, icons, and any design that needs to be scaled up or down without losing quality. Creating crisp, clean, and infinitely resizable graphics is what Illustrator does best. Next, we have Adobe InDesign. Now, this is your powerhouse for anything layout related. If you're working on brochures, magazines, e-books, or anything that involves a lot of text, InDesign is your best friend. It's all about multi-page projects and making sure everything looks polished and professional. Last but not least, Adobe Photoshop. This one's the master of photo editing and digital art. Whether you're retouching images, creating intricate composites, or designing web graphics, Photoshop has the tools you need. It's your go-to for anything pixel-based. So, to sum it up, Illustrator for vector graphics, InDesign for layouts, and Photoshop for pixel-perfect images. Each tool has its own strengths, and knowing when to use each one will make your design process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips. Catch you later.